All right, here it is. Bahia, 1.5 inch. It's down. I picked it up. Your boy B Davis is 1.5 inch. That's how short I am. Wait. That didn't sound right. I'm talking about the thick rat. I'll leave now. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Line Time Coming In. We are back, baby. We are back for part 2 of revamping. That's right. Somebody said, "Oh, you're reamping it, huh? So you're gonna put some speakers on it." Renovating the Bahia. You guys can see I haven't even dethatched yet. I just went over it again and I finally got it down to 1.5 inch. This is 1.5 inch. I measured it. That's what it is. Look at all this thatch that just came up from me just going over it down from 2 down to 1.5. This is the lowest I'm gonna go. I don't think I can get any lower. I mean, if I really want to, I can, but I mean, I got some box spots and everything. Oh, let me show you all this spot here. You know, show you what I'm talking about. This is what happened. When you take the Bahia down to 1.5 inch, baby. Look, boom. That's what happened. You just scalped the whole thing. Well, I guess I did say that I want to scalp it, so good for me. I don't know. Check this out. Look at that. That's an ant complex. Man, that's all right. I gave it some of the ant stuff, whatever it is, but we are down to 1.5 inch. I am going over it. What I'm doing now is I'm taking a Time Master and I raised the Time Master up to a higher level to use the double blades to go over it and pick up all this thatch that's in here. I'm going to use it again when I bring the dethatcher out to thatch all the stuff too. I'm going to use the Time Master again to pick it up. That way it saves me from raking. When I first did this 2 years ago, it was crazy. Reason that it was crazy was because I didn't know anything about a dethatcher at all. I knew zero. Only thing I knew was, like I told you guys before, what grandma told me, get out there with a rake, son, and you rake it up. You know, so that's what I did. 2,500 square feet back here. I got out here with a rake and I raked all the thatch up that first year. And that was my dethatch, you know, and I got it down. I got it looking good. It was all it was all manual. It took me a while to do it, but hey, I raked it all up. I raked it all up in piles and I picked it all up. If that's what you have to do, that's perfectly fine. Do what you got to do. If you don't have a dethatcher, you don't want to get a dethatcher, I'm going to show you guys mine, talk a little bit about it. It's the VonHaus that I bought off Facebook Marketplace over a year ago for the mean price of 50 bucks. I have to give a shout out to my main man Ryan Knorr, because he was the one who exposed me to the dethatcher. You know, he had the Greenworks dethatcher. I believe he still do have it. And when I saw that, I said, you gotta be kidding me. I'm out here slaving with the rake and I'm raking up all this crap and that crap and sorry. Reminds me of that that video with the guy who got the fly in his mouth and everything, you know. Let's get out of here, all this country town.
What really happened on that Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death? The f*** is that? I'm dying in this f***ing country f***ed up town. Shit flying in my mouth. The f***, I can't see pollen. Let's get the f*** out this country, motherfucker. I can't even see me. Okay.
But he showed me a better way, And once he showed me that, I immediately went on Facebook Marketplace, found someone that was selling it about 30 minutes south of me, and I messaged her, bought it for 40 bucks, 50 bucks, can't remember what it was. Works like a charm, I still have it. My dethatcher that I have is a little different from Ryan's and like the Green Works, but I'm pretty sure it's all the same, you know. So if you guys are looking to dethatch your backyard, start with the dethatcher. That's perfectly fine. Do what you got to do. So a big shout out to my main man Ryan for showing me the way, and I have never ever touched this backyard again with that rake to rake it up. I've always used my dethatcher. I love my dethatcher because I have the aerator and the dethatcher on it. But first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna finish picking up this section with the Time Master, then we're gonna bring the bad boy out, then we're gonna dethatch it, and we're gonna keep the party going. Let's go.
It's his first time. Say hi, Benny. Hi, guys. Ruff, ruff. Love you. This is Thor. He's making his appearance too. Say hi, Thor. Hi, Thor. Who let the dogs out? Woof, 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 woof. Who let the dogs out? Woof, 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 woof. Who let the dogs out? Woof. That dog got out.
Mama Deer is trying to work with the Time Master. Guys, you know for a fact, last time she worked with a mower, look at her. She can't even control it. Let's get some good old commentary going on here. Well, I tell you what, Jim. I tell you that she's out of control. Yeah, she's really out of control. She can't do it. She can't control it. She gonna run over the damn dog. Don't kill the dog. Oh, let go, let go. All right. We are completely scalpy. Scalp man. Yeah, that's me. Shout out to my man, Haha Davis. 1.5 inches. That's how tall, how short the Bahia is. Clearly, you know. Dethatch, baby. So, this is my VonHaus Dethatcher. I told you guys. 40 bucks, 50 bucks, Facebook Marketplace. Get you one. Look at this thing. It stands up. It's 100% electric, of course. It has the toggle here, the button there. You push that, you lift it, you let it go, and it starts. And of course, it goes up like this. You know. There's another attachment, the other two poles to make it larger. You know, or this might be Alan Haynes' height. The one attachment that it comes with is this aerator. I know you guys are like, what the world kind of aerator is that? This is the aerator, a little bit different. It grinds it up like for lines. So other than like the aerator that stumps the holes into it, this does a little different. It grinds it up and it goes around there like that, you know, for lines, aeration of lines purposes. Clearly, I need to sharpen these blades or look to get some new ones because this is dull. This is my level right here. I got 4 levels on here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you lift it up, level 4 is the highest. Level 3, level 2. Oh, they hit switches on us. Little Eddie Guerrero. Oh, little Ese Ampiro. Oh. Okay, level 1 is the lowest. On the back, it comes with a bag. I wouldn't recommend using the bag. That's why I have this zip tie here, so I can just hold this up, because I just let it fly, you know. I just let it fly for real, you know, because that bag is too small and you're gonna be out here all day. I just let it fly and just let the Time Master just pick it all up like I just showed you guys. So under, here's the dethatcher teeth right here. Clearly I got some on me. So these little teeth that you see here, what they do is they're like little claws, and they go and they grind up against the dirt, and they pull all this thatch up, all this thatch, all the way down to the dirt. That's what I want. I want to get it all the way down to the dirt. I want to get it all the way down to the dirt. That's where your levels work out for you too, you know. But this is where it's at. It works out perfectly. They grind up and it just like claw at it, and it spits it out the back. So it's a nice little machine. It tucks away in the shed, perfectly fine. Like I say, there's different types. I'm pretty sure there's other models. You got the Greenworks, you got this. I don't know any other models out there, but I'm sure there is. So you always want to start, you want to tilt it down, push the button, squeeze the handle. You never want to start it here because it'll automatically just start ripping crap up. Hold it. That's level 4. It's not going to cut it. Drop it to a level 3. Level 3 looks a little bit better. Let's bump it to a level 2. Level 2. Level 2 looks pretty good. I'm starting to see some dirt. You know, push it down to a 1, baby. Level 1 is definitely where we need to be. Level 1, we're down to the dirt. Let's do it. All right, everybody, check this out. I did a quick test run just along the side here of the house. Look at all this thatch that came up. Look. Look at all that. I see green down there. I mean, I could go even lower. I might probably have to do it twice, but we'll see. Grass to dirt. That's what I need to see. I need to see grass and dirt. Grass and dirt. Grass and dirt. Grass and dirt, like this. Ooh, little St. Augustine stole a signing through there, buddy. That's what I need. All right, guys, so what I did was I made a pass around the outskirts, you know, first. That's easier. When you do your first pass kind of around like the tough areas, it's a little bit easier. So I went all around the square along the side of the fence. That way all I have to do is boom, 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 boom. Walking speed. You don't want to walk fast. Reason that you don't want to walk fast is that you really don't want to do this twice if you can help it. I might have to do it twice depending on how much thatch and everything is all here in the grass, but if I can get away with it a good 1 time, that's fine. So I'm walking slow. I'm not walking fast like a lawnmower. I'm walking slow, a nice pace and everything, you know. You want to get a nice pace going, you know, that way you want to make sure that them claws is scraping the bottom of that dirt and it's just shooting out. I mean, you can clearly see. Look at this. Also, make sure that your cord is not in your way. Sometimes your cord can get in your way. It can get right back tangled up. So make sure your cord is at least on the thatch part that you already went over. it. Clearly you guys can see what's going on. It wasn't as bad as I thought last year or the year before when I did it the first time, but clearly we do got some thatch going. Look at all that. But you want it down to the dirt. I mean, I'm there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the lawnmower, I'm gonna pick all this up, and then I'm gonna see how it looks. If I gotta go over it one more time, I will go over it again. This is a marathon, this is not a sprint. You know, it's a marathon. Gotta go over it again, I will go over it again. So. All right, once again, so I'm in the middle of picking up all of the thatch and everything from with the lawnmower. You guys can see, you can totally see the difference. Picked it up, didn't pick it up yet. Even more along the lines there, we got some stuff going on, so I gotta get this going quick. Y'all might say, oh, what you got going on? No, it's Florida, baby. You know what I'm talking about. There you go. That's what's coming in this way. So we're gonna keep this going. I'm gonna try to get up all this, finish this half of the section here, get it up, and then we'll see if we can keep something going, or we gotta wait until the rain comes and then the rain stops. I don't know.